Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the facts. Open battery settings and note which apps use the most power. Once done, update one UI and every app to rule out known bugs, then reboot. Make a quick safe mode test to see if third-party apps cause the drain. If an app spikes, disable background activity or uninstall it. These immediate actions reduce wake locks and network usage. Make sure to retest battery behavior for an hour after each change so you can see real effects. Now focus on system-level optimizations that actually save hours of runtime. Enable adaptive battery to limit seldom-used apps and manually restrict background activity for apps that still behave badly. Once done, lower screen refresh to 60 Hz, disable always on display, and reduce haptics. These settings cut both CPU and display power. Also, change location mode to battery saving, reduce sync frequency, and prefer Wi-Fi over cellular. Finish with deep cleanup. Clear cache per app, and if needed, wipe the system cache partition from recovery to remove corrupted temporary files. If problems continue despite targeted fixes, back up your data and perform a factory reset, then restore only essential apps to avoid reintroducing the issue. Make sure to test battery behavior before adding more apps. Troubleshooting tip. If drain persists after a reset, run the device in safe mode and document battery graphs. If the problem remains, contact Samsung support or check battery health for replacement options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.